Kita lanjut dulu kepada ananda kita yang menjadi Presiden USA, Kalim Putra Yumalis. Kami persilakan, Kalim, the floor is yours. Bersiap-siap Anissa ya.
Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kenalkan, nama saya Putra Yumalis. Saya Presiden dari Minang USA. Pertama-tama, terima kasih kepada Minang Sayo atas undangan ke acara ini. Sebelumnya, saya mohon maaf untuk selanjutnya saya akan bicara dalam bahasa Inggris. Karena juga bahasa Indonesia saya kurang lancar, apalagi bahasa Minang.
Silakan Kalim.
Kalau dipaksa cuma bisa bahasa C2, mungkin 3. As we speak about the Minang community, there are different ways that can preserve the culture. One of the ways is through the strength of family and community bond. From my experience as Orang Minang, who was born and raised in the United States, building a strong connection to my roots and culture was not easy. Being a minority, I had to work hard to understand my origin, where I came from, and most importantly, what does that mean to be Orang Minang? My family was a primary source to exposure of the Minang culture. I remember when I was younger, I overheard my uncle listening to a song with a language I was not familiar with. After being curious, I later discovered that he was listening to Minang music, and the language was in Minang. Slowly but surely, with curiosity, I learned more about the Minang culture that was beyond the music of language, but was tradition and values that I could apply in my everyday life. Upholding constant communication with family and friends and being active on the local community are some of the ways that help ground myself in the Minang culture and values. Minang USA played a big part of my journey and connect to my Minang roots and build the person I am today. The biggest and well-known program of Minang USA is Pasar Minang. It's a great example of how organizations created a platform for the community to eat in delicious Minang food like satay, to enjoy Minang entertainment like tari piring and talempong, and most importantly, together maintaining silaturahmi with Orang Minang in the area. Maintaining our culture and tradition is one thing, but sharing it with others is also important. Pasar Minang also invites guests who are non-Minang to experience the culture. This event allows cross-cultural experience both for Orang Minang and other Indonesians and Americans. Now, as president of Minang USA, I have a vision to continue this event along with other events, the purpose of providing different opportunities to learn, share, and network for Minang people and the general public. Just last week, we had our webinar to discuss the hope and resilience during the time of COVID-19 with leaders from different sectors and parts of the world. Alhamdulillah, we had received supportive feedback of the event. Looking forward, my team and I will be gathering inspirations from Minang USA members to inform the planning of our future program to meet needs of our community. My story is just one example. As future Minang generations grow and find a creative solution to build their own way of connecting to their roots and preserving Minang culture, they can also do strong support from their family, community, and us, and Minang diaspora around the globe. Thank you again for this opportunity. Mohon maaf kalau ada salah kata. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam, Kalim. Terima kasih banyak. Kalim ini adalah sebuah regenerasi ya. Minang USA itu selama ini Bapak dan Ibu selalu dipimpin oleh orang yang sudah relatif tua, di atas 50-an tahun lah. Saya sering juga kontak-kontak, di sana ada tokoh kita, Ajo Duta, dan beberapa. Dan baru pertama kali nih anak-anak muda mau mengambil alih. Yang biasanya bagi mereka itu adalah kegiatan orang tua, mereka enggak di sana, itu saya gitu ya. Tapi dengan upaya bersama dari keluarga dan kemudian adanya pintu-pintu masuk yang baru bagi anak-anak muda, dan lahirlah seperti Kalim ini dan teman-temannya yang sekarang menggerakkan Minang USA, yang dulu itu seakan-akan adalah organisasi dari yang tua-tua saja. Jadi kita bersyukur, thank you very much Kalim for your enthusiasm, ya.
Terima kasih.
Bring more and more Minang youth in USA and in the world, ya, to the Minang Federation.